Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Rinse the spoon under warm water to remove loose debris so solutions work on rust, not grime. Mix white vinegar and water 50/50 and submerge the spoon for 10 to 20 minutes. This acid begins dissolving iron oxide. While it soaks, sprinkle a bit of baking soda into a small bowl to neutralize later and prepare your soft brush. This initial step attacks rust chemically, so the next mechanical action is effective and gentle on stainless steel. Once the spoon has soaked, take it out and sprinkle baking soda directly on the rusty patches. Baking soda neutralizes leftover acid and creates a mild abrasive. You should scrub gently in small circular motions with a soft brush or non-abrasive pad. Apply steady pressure, but avoid steel wool which can scratch and reintroduce iron particles. Rinse thoroughly under warm running water to wash away residue. If some rust remains, repeat the soak and scrub cycle one more time. This combo removes rust without damaging the finish. Dry the spoon immediately and polish with a microfiber cloth. A drop of cooking oil buffed in restores shine and a protective film. If small stubborn spots remain, make a paste of baking soda and lemon juice, apply briefly, then rinse. This adds mild acidity plus abrasive action without harsh chemicals. Make sure to inspect for pitting. Deep corrosion won't come back and can harbor bacteria, so replace severely damaged utensils. If things go wrong, stop scrubbing. Neutralize with baking soda, then reassess to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.